Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And what's this? Yes, it's actually a breaked up version or a broken version of the video which is before, because I actually realized that in the previous video it was a really long one, so it was hard to actually understand what was happening. So there we go again. That's part number one of the same video, broken up now. So this is our network 10.0.0.0. Um, if anyone is here for the first time, my name is Raz, and I am your friend and a student of networking as well. I worked in the field for some years as well, and been following Cisco's from a lot of years. And right, let's move forward. And there we go. We are doing IP subnetting. And you can look for my previous video in my playlist, the networking fundamentals or networking fundamentals. And there's a lot of Cisco videos down there, especially IP subnetting one. So basically at the moment we are doing IP subnetting. So let's crack on and move on. Right. So the problem here is this is on network 10.0.0.0. Zeros could have been bigger. That's all right. No, I think leave it there for the time being. So what subnet mask you would use for this network? Correct? Yes. So that's cache number one. Cache number two, it should give us 3010 subnets. And furthermore, it should give us 2700 hosts per subnet. So that's our problem, like a question. This is like a question. And in the real exam, you have to do mind mathematics, but obviously we are in initial stage, entry level. But you can do it more faster as well. It depends on your practice, or you can follow it the slow way as well, but you have to practice again and again. So first thing we should know here is what's missing. Ladies and gentlemen, the subnet mask is missing. So there is no what? Anyone? No subnet mask. Thank you. That is what we are finding it. And we are going to find that one. Yes, so there's no subnet mask. We have to find it. Now, what will be our plan of action? So if I say I write this network here. So here I've got octet number one. I'm breaking it up. So octet number two, octet number three, and octet number four. As we know, anything that starts with 10 is a class A subnet mask. Class A subnet mask? No, class A IP address, thank you. Yeah, because subnet mask is different, so subnet mask will be... Remember, do not mix this up. That's a subnet mask, SM, and this is an IP address. Thank you. Right, so we have broken it up here. So following this, now what shall I do first? My first plan of action, because I know that it's class A IP address, so our action is going to start here in the second octet. So I'll be working on the second octet because it's class A. So what we're gonna do is, so supposedly that's the second octet here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you know, there's a 0 down there. So there's two ways of it. Some people assume is at 1 or as 1, and some people will switch the bits from off state, which is 0, to on. So if I assume that we will switch them on, so supposedly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 0 to 1, we'll change the state from 0 to 1. So what's going to happen? Anyone? No? Yes? Okay, right, I'll tell you. So 2 to the power 8. So how did that happen? Everyone is going to ask, how did that happen? So that's 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So as we all know, 2 power 8 is what? Anyone? 256. So 2 power 8 is 256, but because we have changed the state here, we get 2 power 8. But we need 3010 subnets. We only have 256 at the moment. So what we will do, next step, what we will do is, I'm going to keep the 2 power 8 with me. So we have changed 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 power 8 stays here. So I'm trying to cut it short. Right, now we'll move on to octet number 3, which is this one. And I'm going to start changing the 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 1. So 2 power 9 gives us 512. 2 power 10 gives us 1024. We have, remember, we have to go till 3010. So similarly, we'll carry on. The one which we will really match is 2 power 12, I think. 2 power 12 is the one which will match because 2 power 12 is 4096. So we'll leave it till here in this video session, and then I'll continue in the next video to the next one. So remember this. We wanted 3010 subnets. So here we've got 4096 subnet because we have changed 4 zeros to 4 1 here. So 2 power 8 just to cut it short. And then we have 2 power 9, 10. So 2 power 4 here. So supposedly if we add them together, so that's going to be 2 power 12 is equal to 4096 subnets. So that's our first part done. So we have done this part. Just carry on squeezing my videos and looking at them. So slowly work through this process. So in this video, we'll stay till here. In the next video, we'll move on to the next part, and that's host per subnet 1. See you later. Bye.